Easy to assemble sturdy wooden square table sized for kids. Available in white, natural, light wood grain, and two-tone white and natural to fit any home decor. Perfect for games, puzzles, arts and crafts, snacks, and more. Easy to assemble with just a Phillips head screwdriver, not included, power tools not recommended. Sized for ages 3 to 8. Top reviews from the United States. Cute and well made. This table is so cute. We haven't put the legs on it yet. It sits on the floor. My grandson is 14 months old. He likes to play with his wooden train set. So we figured that was the best way for him to play with it. It works perfect. I just wish I had read the dimensions a little better. I'd love for it to be a little bigger. But it will be perfect when we add chairs and move it into the kitchen much later.